Passive income? Walang ganun, Mars. Scam ang passive income kung tamad ka. Okay, wait. Hindi ka tamad. Scam ang passive income pag wala kang ginagawa. Ang totoo, ang tawag doon, front-loaded effort. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Isang linggo kang puyat, ginawa mong product na to, and now, on your second week, you are earning from this product every single day. Dito na papasok yung sinasabi nilang kahit tulog ka, may income ka. But again, hindi siya super passive. Meron kang ginawang pagpupuyat muna bago mo na-receive yung passive income na sinasabi ng iba. Aminin mo, inay, nakakapagod mag-DIY lalo na pag wala kang nakikitang result, tipong yung bank account mo, flatline pa rin. So, if you want to get the blueprint ng 6-digit at passive income, comment premium. Nasa loob ang roadmap.